Hello, I'm in the Hollywood Hills and I'm at an event. It's Bobby Trendy's party. There's my friend Helen, and Bobby Trendy's having a party at this house that he's selling, and I'm gonna let you take a look. So this is the balcony. If you come to Hollywood and live in the Hollywood Hills, this is what you see from your balcony. And I will also show you the house now. Balcony goes over there. I was just upstairs on that part of the balcony, and now I'm going to show you the inside of the house. Now you've seen the beautiful view, Hollywood Hills view. Ah, there's a step there. Be careful.
Oh my God, whose phone is that? I love it.
Oopsie. Oh, I'm sorry. So sorry. Okay, so here's the inside of the house. And this is the kitchen back here. They're making drinks if anybody wants a drink. Food over here. Oh yeah, let's get Bobby.
Yeah, we rent the front.
Oh, and I'll show you a little bit here. So it's his. Remember Bobby Trendy? Be on reality show. And this is the home. They have a DJ here. Let me find Bobby. They have a DJ. Here's the DJ. They have a lot of cat decor. You can see the cat decor over there. Can you see that? I'll go closer if I can. I don't know. There's chairs in the way. Here. Hi. Look at all the little cat. DJ, you want to say hi? The DJ.
DJ Ray.
DJ who?
DJ Ray Rhodes.
Yeah.
It rhymes.
And then I'll show you the rest of the house. Beautiful. Okay. The entrance is right over here. Oh, here's Bobby. Bobby, hi. I'm live streaming on Facebook.
Hi everybody, welcome to the party.
Bobby Trendy.
Welcome to the open house.
And then I'll show you the upstairs. I'm just gonna wait for these people to come down. Oh my gosh, you've got to see this. There's a bunny. There's a bunny at this open house. I'll let you come down before I come up.
Oh, it's downstairs.
Okay, that's okay. You can go. Yeah. So I'm going to show you over here. Here's his little carrot. He was eating this carrot. I don't know if you can see it. And here's this bunny. Hello, little guy. Hello. A real little bunny at the open house. Hello, bunny. Hello. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. I think I'm more interested in the bunny than the house. He's so adorable. He's down there now. He went to his little corner. That's where he was earlier. Okay, I'm going to show you the upstairs. Going up the stairs here of the house. Check out this furniture in the office. These are high-heeled shoes. And this is a hand. You see that? Oh boy. And then, yeah, this is like the office study. Can I flip this? Let's see. And then there's the view again. Beautiful window from the office. The chairs. And then I'll show you the rest. So up here, upstairs, I've already scoped out the place, but I'm just showing you guys now. And then here's a master bedroom. It's really beautiful. So here's...
All match.
Hi there.
Hi. Walls and furniture match.
The walls and the furniture match. Did you notice all the cat pictures everywhere? Or if you go downstairs, you'll see.
There's what?
There's downstairs. They love cats. There's a lot of cat theme. There's a balcony over here, which also, of course... Oh, yeah. And a great view when you wake up in the morning. Here's the view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really.
Same view as when we were on the balcony. Oh, you can see. Now, if you go out on this balcony over here, you can see Capitol Records, which I noticed when I went out here earlier. I'll show you. I'm just gonna close the door because I don't want the bunny to escape, but I hope I don't lock myself out, or else I guess I have to live here. Oh, too bad. Okay, so here's the view, and then there's Capitol Records. Let me try to zoom in. I'll try to go this way and zoom in. Hold on. Flip it. Where is it from here? Right there. I don't know. Oh, I guess I can't zoom in on. Oh, hey, thanks, Melissa, for the nice compliment. My friend Melissa watching. I don't know if you can see Capitol Records. I can see it. I don't know how to zoom in. So, oh, there we go. Oh, there it is. See that? See that tower right there? Let me flip back around. So it's this tower. I don't know if you can see it this way, but that's Capitol Records. So if you live here, you can just look outside and see Capitol Records every day. It's pretty cool. Okay, I'll show you the rest of the house. We're on the second floor. I'll show you so there's the ground floor, then there's the second floor. This is the bathroom here. It's very spacious. Hi.
10 people.
Yeah, if 10 people want to go to the bathroom. See, I told you they like cats. There's lots of here. Oh, there I am. A mirror image of me. There's what the back of me looks like. In case you were wondering. And by the way, I had my hair done today. I had Brazilian blowout hair modeling job. So hope you like it. Anyway, okay, I'll take you on the rest of the tour of this house. Oh, someone else showing the place. Oopsie. Someone else showing the place. I'm not a realtor. I was just invited to this party, but there's a lot of realtors here just having a peek, taking a look. Okay, let's go back down. Going back down. Uh-oh, I don't see the bunny. I hope the bunny's not scared with all these people here. There's the party. There's a lot of people here. I don't know where the bunny went. There's the DJ again, playing some good tunes. Okay, now let's go down. Ooh. I'll show you the staircase down. It's kind of steep. Going down the stairs. Hello. It's okay. All right, so here we go. Down, and then here we are downstairs. Look at some of this cool artwork they have. They obviously love bunnies. I love all their cat and wildlife photos here. They love prints also. Okay, I'll show you the rooms now. Okay, here's another bedroom. And it's got a balcony as well. I mean, this house is like all balconies. All great views, all balconies. Let's see what's out here. I don't want to drop my phone over the balcony. It seems like this balcony wraps around the whole house. It's really beautiful out there. You can see up there in the hills. I mean, we're pretty high in the hills, but that's obviously higher. So this is a good place to live if you're not afraid to drive in the hills. I personally am. I'm kind of a timid driver, but I like the cat painting there. There's another bathroom here. Okay, then I'm going to show you this room. You're going to like this. This is, oh, well, here's a bedroom, another bedroom. Hi. Another bedroom, and then, oh, here's another bathroom. I don't know, there's a lot of bathrooms in this house. And then I'll show you, here's the gym. I'll show you the gym. Look at this. I'd like to have a gym like this in my house. All this equipment. Pinball machines, video games, and then there's the gym. there's weights and bike, and I kind of want to use this. Hang on here. Hey, I'm strong. Okay. All right, and that's pretty much the whole house. There's some walk-in closets and some other nice bathrooms and stuff, and that's what we have. So we'll go back upstairs and then we'll call it a night on the live stream. Here we go, up, back up. Every window has a beautiful view. And let's see. All right, so that's it. We'll call it a night. Thanks for joining me.
No, that's my number.
Bye from Hollywood Hills.